hey, it's your lucky day. You get to drive the tug. And there it is, all the beer ready to go. Round. Alright, I think I hit pause. I hope it's seamless. Oh shit. What? Alright, so we still got the light. Okay, so you got parking brake. Oh no, yeah, neutral. Make sure it's in neutral, then the parking brake. Neutral, parking brake. And put on the brake and put it in forward. And off we go. Oh, my fucking battery's low. Oh, God. Yeah, bring up the pace. Alright, so I'd hug that thing right there. Yeah. Yep. And when you fill the pothole, you want to take off the gas. You want to make sure you stay off the gas through both trailers. Because once you pass one trailer, it feels like it's good to go, but you still got the hole in the trailer that's going to go through that pothole. So you want to feel for the 4 bumps. Make sure to stay away from that burn too. Okay, maybe just a tad slower. Yeah. But it's pretty good cruising speed. So I just get kind of nervous, you know, when it's
like first time.
Yeah. Okay, so when we're approaching the door, you want to make sure to you have enough room to stop if you have to. Okay. So again, this is a one-way only circuit. Tug or forklifts can't even come out this door.
Oh yeah?
Yep. Open sesame. Alright, give it a gas, all the gas. Keep it on. When you feel the pressure go, then you can release the gas. There you go, not bad. I hope nobody turned off this door. So yeah, approach it slowly with caution, because you never know. These guys get power fucking hungry, or not power happy. Power happy, there we go. Oh, you like it. Alright, we're imagining there's lots of beer in here, but there's not. Alright, so there's the corner we're going to cut, right there. And we're going to stay 3 feet off the wall. Now, as we approach this corner, you want to make sure you're not going to be going too fast. Sound your horn, because there's going to be cross traffic here. And then you're going to cut over next to the column and straighten out and be parked alongside both of those columns. That's position number 1. If you're going to position number 2, right here you crank it, and you want to turn it out so that you're right next to the beer when you come out of the turn. You want to be as close to that lane as you can, right there. Nope, that's not the lane, sorry. That's not the lane. Now we got to do the whole thing again. That's professionally done. That was done by me. So you want to be next to that beer, that lane.
Next to the lane, next to the yellow lane.
That yellow lane. I'm sorry, lane meaning beer lane.
Okay.
So you want to be close to the beer when you come out. And the reason is because once you park, this is only a 20-foot spot between the 2 lanes of beer. You need 20 feet to unload the tug, and so you want to be as far to the left as you can. Okay? Next time. Okay, so like I said before, you unload the tug here. You go to any of these lines here, find the map, put it in there. And then while you're still on the forklift, you'll drive right through that blue door, right on the other side of it. On the other side will be staged packaging. Okay, cool. Let's take it back. Straight through that door. We head up to the exit ramp. So that's staged packaging, not kegs right there, and more staged packaging there. And if you should need other packaging, 12 packs will be in this area. Carriers are up and down that little road. 4612 IPA over here, and 4612 lower shit there, and 22's back there. Okay, so that cone represents the packaging that will be packed right there. On the left side of it, big turn, and then heads parallel with the wall up to this point, and then make your turn to go out. There might be a tug right there sometimes, so. And then out we go. Now downhills with weight on your trailers. You need to be careful because they fall off. So yeah, then we get to the bottom and we head back. Slow down a little bit on the bottom of the ramp there. You want to keep the brakes kind of on until you get down to the bottom of this, you know, where it's, and then when you start going back up, then you can let the gas on, or put the gas on and go. All right. Cheers. Get your heart out, Chicago. Look at that. So things to watch out for back here would be contractors driving their trucks back here because they can, and, you know, just it would be nice to close it off, but I don't think it ever will be completely. So yeah, so that's the berm we want to watch out for. We don't want to drive on that because you dump all your shit on the ground. It's not so bad. Okay, so over the drain and to the right. And now we're going to go around the back of bottling. So we're going to imagine there's a water truck there. We're going to go through the bottling line. In order to make the turn, you want to be over to the right here, and then slowly cut in and sound the horn. That we're aware of glass being transferred in here. Right here we want to be going slow enough to where we don't have to stop. So we're so slow that we're not going to be endangering anybody's lives, but we don't exactly want to stop either. Now we're going to make this turn. So I'm going to describe it again. You should be at the fulcrum and halfway through the turn, go in, turn in, straight, turn, straight, well, not yet. Yeah, okay, make the turn now, and point it right, we're going to stop right at the fire lane here. All was done proper, which I haven't even looked yet, but I'm going to, and yeah, looks good. Cool.